Here we have the CSX F767-05. Hearing something this morning. AC6000-658 in the lead. So he's moving pretty good. There he is, 658! Woo! Yeah! Yes! Yes! Woo! 658 and C40-8W 7804! Woo! With a monster F767-05! Alright! Woo! Man, I have been waiting for this guy for a while. It's pretty sweet. Sorry about that, I had to fix my tripod real quick. So I got the leg of the fixed. So we'll watch CSX AC6000 number 658 and CSX C40-8W number 7804 still looking pretty good on this YN3 paint as he will continue to the CWRY. Sud, based in Germany. They look like pretty new containers to me. Man, those TTX cars that just passed were built in Oregon. But some of these cars are still made here in America. YouTubers, just real quick, the contact area between the wheel and the rail is only about 3/4 of an inch wide. It's about the width of a dime. And that little lip there, just about an inch thick, like I said, is what holds the train on the track. Pretty amazing. Just a quick fact. This has absolutely just made my day. AC6000 sure had a kind of a weird sounding horn. Sounded like it was kind of stuck. Needs to be tuned up a little bit. Wierd has stuff in the swoosh cars. I get to see these an awful lot. I love the swoosh cars. Okay, some snack trains. Blue cars right here. Here comes some brand new cars. Let's see some of these. These are brand new TTX cars, fresh off the assembly line. It's 5 of them in this set. New wheels, new trucks. November of 2015 is when these were built. Not even a year old. That's what the truck frame says. That's pretty good right there. GTW, Grand Trunk Western. Now we appreciate a railroad of Canadian National. CN, baby. Spin the camera around for you. Still have a lot of train left. See, that's him going into the marshalling yard. Got some refrigerated stuff today that's going into the port. That's good. And we got more new cars coming our way. A little faster than I thought. Got a couple underneath shots of the wheels. He's actually moving a little bit faster than I thought. Figured he'd be going a little bit slower. Might have some spine cars coming up. Looks like. Nope, just all regular container cars. Has some Sealand cars on there too. Yep, there are more Sealand cars, another set of them. Sealand was bought in the 80s. And they changed, I think Horizon Lines bought them out and CSX just took the cars. I'm not sure about it, but if anybody knows, let me know. Horizon uses the former Sealand logo on their containers. It's basically a Sealand container with just Horizon Lines' name on it. Here's some cars here that are really showing their age. Here it is, steam cars with the NSF. These were manufactured here in June of 2002. That's what the truck frame says for the BNSFs. Oh man, that one sounded bad. Oh, that one you can feel under the ground. These were made here in the 80s. Over 20 years of service. 31 years of service for those blue cars. This has been a really, really good F767-05. This is very, very, very good. Here comes some more new ones coming at us. More refrigerated containers. These were built in 2015. Now here comes some Sealand cars. where you can actually read the logo. See, there you go. Now, CAI is California Intermodal. It's based in California. This is one long train. Whoa. That you can feel under the ground. And here comes the end of the train for the last set of fresh TTX cars. Yeah, these are some of the newer ones to end the train. And here come the final two containers of the train. Wow, that was a really, really pretty CSX F767. Wow, hats off to CSX for this one. Well, there you are, YouTubers. That is the last of the train, where he will now report to the Shortline Railroad, where they will go in and exchange crews. Look at him go in the distance. It was an AC6000 in YN3 and a C40-8W in YN2. They both looked really good in their paint. But absolutely love when these trains go through here. It's the first CSX train I have seen on this line in about 2 weeks. Last Saturday I was out here. I was not really lucky to see one, but today I was really lucky to see this only train of the day. As you can see real quick, I have a couple excavators, and I also have the caboose here in the corner. Let me go ahead and shift the camera real quick so you can actually see it. This is the caboose that is stored here at the Suffolk Seaboard Station. I did do a full video of the inside and outside of this piece. That is on my YouTube channel, as well as the excavator video. I'm really glad you're able to see this. I apologize for a couple technical difficulties I had. The leg was not working right, so that's why the camera shifted a little bit, and I apologize. But I got the leg fixed and it's fine. So, real quick, you're not seeing a lot of cabooses anymore. You're really not seeing it. Really, a lot of the scenic railroads are still using them for their excursions, and I'm really, really glad to see that they've preserved these units, and I'm really glad that they're doing it. So, CSX still uses a little bit of theirs, and so does NS some, but not so much. But anyway, that concludes the F767-05 and the trio special today. This is Engineer Pat saying I hope all of you enjoyed the videos today, and we will see you guys next time. All right, thank you all very much. This is Engineer Pat, and I'll see you next time.